Hi, I'm Naim Makalabo, a third-year computer science student from BSCS 3B. When I think about myself as a future computer science professional, I just don't see someone who writes code. I see someone who uses technology to solve real problems and make life better for people. To me, being a CS professional means combining logic with creativity, understanding how a system works, but also imagining how they could work better. It's not just about programming, it's about innovation, problem solving, and continuous learning. I see myself working on projects that helps communities, maybe developing smart solutions or building systems that make people daily lives easier and safer. As a CS student, I'm still learning, experimenting, and improving every day. But I know that with dedication and passion, I can become the kind of professional who uses technology not just for progress but for purpose. And this is how I see myself, a creative, responsible, and purpose-driven CS professional.